Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change Samsung Smart TV language back to English. Okay, for example, if your TV now set up to another language that you don't know, we can go together step by step and you will finally change your TV back to English. Okay, first of all, press setting on your remote control. After that, you just go to this logo. Okay, and now press the rise button. Now go to this fourth menu. Whenever you see the word Samsung here, and now select on it. And go down one menu, select on it. And here you will find the word English. Now go to it and select English. And now your TV turn back everything to English language. Okay, and if we return to the home screen, you now see everything get back to English language. And now thanks for your time watching this video of how you can change back your Samsung Smart TV from another language back to English. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.